Greek Frappe, or Frappe coffee, is iced coffee with foam. You'll find this Greek beverage in most Greek coffee shops, especially during the summer months. Traditionally made with instant coffee, you can also make a Greek Frappe at home using your Nespresso home brewing system. Today, we'll be using premium Nespresso-compatible capsules from HiLine Coffee to make a Greek Frappe. To make this recipe, you'll also need 1 teaspoon sugar, 3 teaspoons cold water, and 3 to 4 ice cubes. First, insert a HiLine capsule into your Nespresso machine. Press the lungo button to brew your espresso shot into a mug. Next, add the espresso, water, sugar, and ice cubes into a cocktail shaker or a jar with a tight-fitting lid. Shake vigorously for 30 seconds. Pour the shaken mixture into a tall glass. Top your Greek Frappe with milk if desired and serve immediately with a straw.